What's up, guys? Welcome to Speed Tech Media. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to send your Dogecoin to your Bitget address. So without wasting much time, let's head over to Telegram. So my last video, my last video was a video where I teach you guys how you can be able to send your Dogecoin to your Bitget account. So this time around is going to be a Bitget wallet. So I've started the boot, click deposit to exchange. Almost like the first video, deposit to exchange. I click on continue. You can see it, Bitget over here. Click on same. I have it here. So if you don't have, I'll drop a link in the description to register to get a bonus as soon as you complete your registration and you verify. So as you can see, you only need the Bitget UID and the dog deposit address. So without wasting much time, let's head over to Bitget. So as you can see, I have it installed already in my phone. So let's first copy the Bitget UID. So look at the top left corner, there's a button there just like a menu. Click it. So as you can see, this is the UID. So you click it. Okay, it can't copy, so you click on this arrow at the front. This arrow at the front, you click this arrow at the front. So you'll be able to copy the UID over here. So copy it, head over to Telegram to paste the UID. Could check again for confirmation. It's the same. So be back and we'll go over to add funds. So as you can see, add funds. If you don't click on add funds, you click on assets. As you can see, here is assets. Click on add funds. So as you can see, there is third party payment, there is bank transfer, there is P2P, there is credit card, and there is deposit. So I'm still going to make video on how to purchase coin using bank transfer and credit card, because not all credit card works for Nigeria. So I will make research for, there's a card I'm already using. I'm going to make research and see if the card is going to go through, and when it goes through, I'm going to teach you step by step in which you can be able to use card to get your own, to purchase Bitcoin or any coin on Bitget and bank transfer. How you can be able to do that without stress. So click on the deposit. As you can see, I've already searched for dogs. So if it's your first time, you could either search dogs or you go under the category of D. So it said choose network. It's going to load it. As you can see, it automatically choose turn network. So it automatically choose turn network. So you copy your address. Here's the address. Copy it. So you head over to Telegram bot, you paste it and you hit the send button. So you can see a confirmation Bitget UID deposit address. You may lose your token if this UID wallet address are incorrect, block or does not exist. KYC passed only. Exchanger required to pass your identity before trading. You click on confirm. So the deposit is going to be on the way. It's going to be, we are going to receive the deposit on the 20th of this month. So, and there is a reward I wanted to show you guys. Reward. So there's a reward if you could deposit dog. If you could deposit dog, maybe they are going to give you $40 USDT. So let me look for it if I'm going to see it, so that I will show you guys how you can participate in it too. So I'm going to pause the video so it just load without me wasting much time. So I've seen it. So you click on this notification icon at this top right corner, this notification icon here. You click it and you search for the notification that said, the notification is going to be among here. It says deposit dog, and so let's see, maybe it's promotion. Listing, no. So as you can see, here is it. This rabbit and dog carnival are now live. Click it, it's going to load, and you can see 0. Okay, campaign 1, deposit dog and win BTC jackpot. Campaign 2, dog and USDT sports trading 0 free promotion. Campaign 3, deposit dog and reshare social media posts. So this campaign 3 is the one you will go for. This campaign 3 is the one you will go for. So click on it, it's going to load. It started on August 16 and it's going to finish August 26. So seems that link is not clickable, but seems I've seen it here. So if you scroll down, you are going to see it. Deposit dog and win BTC jackpot. That's the first one. Let's look for the second one. Just scroll down. If you can't, you might not find it in time. Scroll down and you might see it. These are where it was being listed. So let me click the first one I saw. Let me click this and see its outcome. So just go through it. So I'm going to go through it. I'm going to make a video later about this to explain more of it, because it seems it's not easy to find it. So I'm going to make a video to explain later about it. So please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, so that YouTube is going to recommend this video to people that are looking for something similar to this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.